In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get notes on Instagram app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off we need to just go to our App Store or Play Market if you are on an Android, and then just search for Instagram. We need to get the latest Instagram update to get access to the latest features. So just go to Instagram's page on an App Store or Play Market, and then if this button says update, just tap on it to download and install the latest version. Once you have installed the latest version of the app, you can close App Store, and then you can open up Instagram, go to your DMs, and the new note feature should appear.